Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Unboxing the Trends. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So today we are going to talk about these silicone molds which I've recently ordered from Amazon.com. And the cost of these molds are $439 and this one is for $304. So let's do unboxing and I'll show you how exactly they look. So it has come in a packet from Amazon.in. So the moment I saw this, I was like, oh my god, it's too small. I did not realize that it is going to be this small because I wanted the frames to be a little bigger so that I can, put a picture inside it. But in these, I cannot really put pictures, but I have to just put a little bit of embellishments and all. So this is how they look, and this one is another one. As you can see, this one is quite nice if you want to make the borders, and that one is little thick, this is little thin. Now let's measure it and see. This is not a very big mold. This is 9 centimeters, that is it. So the frames are really small, and I've already used these molds in one of my projects. As you can see, I will be using this silicone mold. I will be using that specific one, and we will take hot glue gun and start filling it very carefully. So once that is done, start tapping the mold to avoid the bubbles. Now wait for 15 minutes and take out the glue from the mold, and you can see a beautiful embellishment is ready. So once that is done, we need around 4 of them. Beautiful this is, and I've already colored them in gold color. And this is another mold. I've used it in a same way by putting hot glue gun. So all in all, these silicone molds are really nice to have if you're an artist or if you are a baker, because you can use them in 100 ways. The possibilities are endless, and I will rate this product 8 out of 10 because of the size of the mold. It was really small, and the other mold is really nice. You can go for that. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. To subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.